Hello friends, myself Anjali Bhosle, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics at Rajarshi Chhatrapati Shahu College, Kolhapur. Our previous lecture we have to discuss about sampling theory. So our today's lecture we have to discuss our next point, sampling unit. An element or group of elements on which observation can be taken is called as sampling unit. A sampling unit is depend on type of investigation and hence it changes from one survey to other. For example, if the objective is to determine the total income of all the persons in the household, the sampling unit is the household. If the objective is to determine the income of any particular person in the household. Our next point, sample. A finite subset of statistical individuals in a population is called sample, and number of individuals in a sample is called sample size. So, a finite part of population is called as a sample. For example, while purchasing food grain, we inspect only handful of grains and draw conclusion about the quality of the whole lot. In this case, handful of grain is the sample and whole lot is the population. Next, if the objective is to study the blood sugar level, then the sampling unit is the value of blood sugar level of a person. On the other hand, if the objective is to study the health condition, then the sampling unit is the person on whom the regarding of the blood sugar level, blood pressure and other factors will be obtained. This value will together classify the person as healthy or unhealthy. For testing quality of milk, is small quantity of milk is tested. To our next example, to examine the blood of individuals, a few drops are taken out of human body diagnosis. These drops are a sample, whereas entire body is population. Then sampling frame, a list or map of all elements of the population from which the sample is drawn is called as a sampling frame.